Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Powder Springs Local and Long Distance Movers near me. A long-distance move happens when the beginning and destination areas are more than 50 miles apart, even in the same state. Intrastate relocations are those that happen inside the same state. An interstate move happens between 2 states and requires crossing state lines. At 3 Movers, we can migrate your assets locally, interstate, or inside a state. We are on favorable terms with the federal and local offices that direct the migration process. Since we care about our clients and their assets, we have insurance plans set up. During the moving trip, these insurance plans cover risks. Our team has the most committed and reliable movers and drivers that will ship your belongings in perfect condition. You don't need to be worried about us cheating you, since each of our services are sensibly priced. Moving locally is more affordable than moving long distance. Our costs are very reasonable, ranging between $30 and $40 hourly. Our committed and hardworking local movers will guarantee that their service is excellent and that they focus on your ideas and thoughts. We've worked efficiently in bustling cities and congested areas before, so we know how to convey your things without causing any problems. We have the best staff of local movers who are open to assist you with your moving plans 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You'll see that we have many fulfilled clients if you ask them for reviews on our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Powder Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.